my dad's. I probably got a bigger one. But you know. So, we're just bottom fishing today. We're gonna try and now we're gonna get this fish in. I told you we should have bottom land in that. Whoa. Not a bad fish, actually. He sent you to warm up. Check that out. Alright, I'm just gonna get him in here now. Look at this. If you don't think rainbows fight hard for freshwater fish, oh, they do. Oh, I tricked him. He was trying to swim back out. Just gotta get him in here now. Gonna pull him up to the roots here. Wow, that's a little jank. He fought hard. You want to keep him, Dad? No. Hey guys, this is Buzz here. And this is our first fish. This is my fish. This is my dad's second. Here's mine, 13 to 15 inches. We've got another one hooked up on my rod. I'm using my dad's rod. Why do they always send your warm-up flying?
Let's see him. Come on.
You let him settle down for a second? Watch this. You want to see? See him out there? I'm trying to see if he'll rise. A little ultralight rod. Alright, wait a minute. Oh! Got him. Alright, so there's another good size. Actually,
That's a little guy.
not bad size, maybe 9 inches. So yeah, we're gonna get this hooked out and get back to you guys in size compare. So yeah, stay tuned. Okay, so this is the fish I just landed. My dad hooked it and stuff. Not that I don't know how, but this is a 13 to 15 inch rainbow. It's my fattest rainbow I've ever caught. See the size comparison. Look at the size of their heads compared to each other. Look at that. That's just insane how big these things can get.
Okay.
So let's let this guy go. Let him get bigger. Alright, sorry about that. My dad stopped recording. So here he is. There he goes right there. Yeah. Stop recording. This is a good one. Hey guys, we're Buzz here. And fourth fish. First one on sandbag. I think this is a keeper. I don't know. Yeah, that's a good one. That's a good one. Get in here. Yes, yes. Oh, crap, Dad, I think he swallowed it. Nope. Oh, check out that yellow belly.